Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a front power window motor on this 2005 Hyundai Elantra. Should be pretty much the same for any 2001 to 2006 era Elantra. We show you the driver's side, passenger side, the same procedure. Tools you'll need are a small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a razor blade or utility knife, and a 10mm wrench or socket and ratchet.
I'm going to use a piece of cloth to protect the paint while I pry the corner piece off here. And I'm going to take off the two trim covers here, the center pieces. You can use a tiny flat screwdriver or you can use a little pick and just pry into the side. Pull it out. Same for the bottom. And there's two trim covers underneath the door handle. Use your flat blade screwdriver. Pry at the seam. Gently pull them out. There's two screws behind there. I've got the screw covers off, exposing all 9 of the screws. 2 on the back of the door, 2 on the very bottom of the door, 2 on the side, 1 in your handle assembly, and 2 below your grab handle.
Okay, and we'll just speed things up here. And Phillips screwdriver is all you need for all 9 of those screws. And after you take the screw out that's behind the door handle, you do have to pull the little bezel out.
I'm going to give a little tug to the handle, get my fingers behind the panel, and just pry apart. There's a clip down here, and I'm going to do the same over here where the clip just came out. And I'm going to lift the panel up off of the door. There are 3 harnesses. 2 go to the window switch pack, and another goes down to a door light at the bottom. You'll find a tab right here. Press it in. It'll click right out. Another tab here. The last tab here. And I'm going to remove the vapor shield with the razor blade and just cut through the black adhesive.
We'll just speed it up as we take off that water shield. Be very careful if you're working with a razor blade. You could also use a utility knife. And you just want to take this off carefully. You don't want to rip it or stretch it. It helps keep the moisture out of your door panel. So just carefully remove it, bring it down so you can access the inside of the door.
I'm disconnecting the window motor by pressing in the clip, pulling out. And I'm going to remove the 3 10mm nuts. And when installing your motor, line it up on your 3 studs and push in. If it doesn't go right in and sit, you're going to need to use your hand to play with the regulator until the gears line up. And when you can't move it by hand, you know you're in.
And just speed up here as we put the 3 10mm nuts on and tighten them up.
And reconnecting the window motor. And we're going to go back up with the barrier.
And just remember to put the clip back for the cables, and then put the moisture barrier back up in place.
I'm reconnecting the 3 harnesses that go to the switch panel and the light. And putting the door panel back on, I'm going to go up above, push down, so it sits on top of the door frame, and then give it a little tap for the lower clips, and start back with my Phillips screws.
And we'll fast forward again here as we put back the 9 screws, and just remember the only thing is with the screw that goes behind the door handle where you open the door, put the bezel in first, then put the attaching screw in. And once you have all the screws in, then just remember to put the small trim pieces back in that cover the screws. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.